Hello and welcome to Retro Phone Show, and today we're going to be having a look at this Zte Axon M. This is one of the first folding smartphones. So without further ado, here we go. Hello. This was actually launched in October of 2017. It has got 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes storage, and it's running on the Snapdragon 821. Let's just have a look at the thing. You have the camera here and the sensor, the flash. You have a very good strong hinge on the one side. It's a very strong, robust hinge. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The hinge is absolutely solid. On the bottom here you have the speaker, the phone charger. I'm not too sure what that one is there, but see for something. On the side here you have the SIM tray, which is located here. You have the volume rocker. You have the power button, and there's actually the fingerprint sensor as well. There. And then you have the quick button that takes you to YouTube or whatever you set it to. And there's the other screen on the back. Hello guys. Hang on, what have I touched now? And there it is on his normal one. And if I open him up, it's upside down. Oh, that's better. There you are, and you have these different modes. Just go through them. Start from here. You have the mirroring one. It mirrors the two screens. Whatever you have on there will have exactly the same on there. Now I've noticed that this screen is slightly dimmer than that one. Only very slightly, mind. And obviously if you have the two screens on at the same time, it will run down the battery twice as quick, I've noticed. Right, let's go back to the modes. That's the mirror one. Obviously that's if we want one screen. That's one screen, look. The two screens are turned into one. Only problem is you've got the hinge all down, the join all down here. If you're watching a YouTube video or whatever, you'll have the join like. On this one end, you can do 2 different tasks at the same time. If you could watch YouTube on the one, and you could multitask on the other one, which is pretty cool. I'll show you the ringtones in a minute, and then you can turn it off completely, the one screen, that you just have the one. I don't know why you'd want to do that when it's open, mind, because it looks a bit bizarre. Let's go back to that one, the one screen. That's what I like the best. On the back, it's hard to figure ring. Here we are. Axon M. And when it's to close up, this bit here will lock into there, and this bit here will go into there, and then this little bit will go into there. So it makes the phone very sturdy when it's closed. It's a very good design. like I said, this was released back in 2017, so it's pretty old now, making it the 4-year-old. I know I usually do the older vintage phones, but I thought I'd just show you this. Very cool phone, like. I don't think this is extremely rare, but I do believe it's quite hard to get hold of in the UK. It's quite easy to get hold of in America and over that way, but in the UK over here it's supposed to be quite a little bit harder to get hold of, because this was released on TNT originally in America. That's why you would turn it around. It's got the TNT logo right there. But this one has been unlocked to all networks. So that's cool. That's pretty cool. Right then, let's have a look at the ringtones. What I'll do, I'll close this back up now. No, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll see if I can do the ringtones on here. We want sounds. Ringtones. Start from the top. Obviously you've got none. And you have that one. I missed that one. Do that one again. And there you are. That's the ringtones. And I will tell you, it's pretty loud. You have a mic, a speaker at the front here. And you also have one at the bottom here. So you've got one here and one there. But the one at the bottom here seems to be a lot powerfuler. And this one here is a bit tinier. But yeah, it gets the job done. So there you are. That is the Zte Axon M. One of the first ever flip smartphones, a double screen. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you enjoy my videos, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be very much appreciated. And bye!